18 Unbelievable health benefits of carrot. Diet, hair, and skin benefits. Carrots are mostly orange in color, but they are also available in white, yellow, purple, and red colors too. Carrots are high in essential nutrients and provide several health advantages. Consuming carrots regularly will provide you with the following health benefits. Number 18. Helps in the maintenance of a healthy glow. Vitamin A, Vitamin E, antioxidants, and other vital vitamins and minerals present in carrot contribute to the face's healthy sheen and radiance. Number 17. Helps in the treatment of scars and blemishes. Carrots contain antioxidants that aid in the healing of scars and blemishes on the skin. To get rid of these skin flaws, just apply carrot pulp or juice to your face. Number 16. Helps in the prevention of aging. Adding carrots to your diets regularly helps to slow down aging process. This occurs because beta-carotene present in carrots functions as an antioxidant, assisting in the reversal of cell damage caused by the body's normal metabolism. Number 15. Helps in the provision of sun protection. The sun's destructive impacts can cause irreversible skin damage, however, carrots can assist provide enough relief from the sun's negative impacts. Beta-carotene aids in the regeneration of sun-damaged skin and also protects against the sun's harmful effects. Number 14. Helps in the prevention of skin dryness. Dry skin can also be caused by a lack of potassium in the body. However, because carrots are high in potassium, having them in your diet may help with skin dryness. As a result, consume carrot juice to keep your skin soft and moisturized. Number 13. Helps in the treatment of skin disorders. Carrots may be included to your regular diet to help with skin problems including acne, eczema, pimples, and rashes. Carrots are high in antioxidants, which give them properties that aid in the prevention of skin disorders. Number 12. Helps in the prevention of hair loss. Consuming carrots and carrot juice helps to strengthen hair's roots, thereby preventing hair loss. The essential nutrients contained in carrots help in achieving this. Number 11. Helps in hair growth stimulation. Carrots are high in vitamin A and vitamin E, both of which help the scalp's blood circulation. Consuming carrots improves blood circulation to the scalp and helps to promote hair growth and prevents premature graying. Number 10. Helps in reducing the risk of diabetes. Carrots contribute in the prevention of diabetes by helping to manage blood sugar levels. Number 9. It helps in the reduction of blood pressure. Carrots can be really beneficial if you suffer from hypertension or high blood pressure. This is due to the high potassium content in carrots. Potassium in large numbers in the body not only relaxes the arteries and blood vessels, but it also aids in blood circulation, lowering blood pressure. Healthy blood pressure is essential for good health, and excessive blood pressure is linked to strokes, heart attacks, seizures, and other problems. Number 8. Helpful in the treatment of menstrual problems. Carrots have numerous benefits for women, one of which is the relief of menstrual problems. Women who have irregular menstruation flow or excessive bleeding might considerably benefit from eating carrots daily. Carrots can also help women suffering from menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. Number 7. Helps in the maintenance of good digestive health. Carrots are high in fiber, which aids digestion and also helps to cleanse the bowels properly. Fiber is also helpful in controlling blood sugar levels and assisting with weight loss. Number 6. Helps in the removal of toxins. Carrots are high in vitamin A, which aids in the removal of toxins from the body, as well as the prevention of fat and bile formation in the liver, keeping it healthy. Carrots contain water-soluble fiber, which aids the waste removal process. Number 5. Helps in the improvement of dental hygiene. Raw carrots can improve dental health by helping to remove plaque and food particles from the teeth. They also stimulate the gums, which helps to produce saliva. Saliva production helps to keep cavity-forming or bacterium-forming bacteria under control. Number 4. Helps in immunity boosting. Carrots and carrot juice are high in antioxidants, which help in immune system strengthening. Carrots help you grow a healthier and stronger immune system if you eat them on a regular basis. Number 3. Helps in cancer prevention. Carotenoid, a polyacetylene antioxidant found in carrots, aids in the destruction of malignant cells in tumors. Carrots have anti-carcinogenic characteristics that assist to suppress the formation of malignant cells, which is one of its main advantages. Carrots have been shown in studies to lessen the risk of cancers such as colon, breast, and prostate. Number 2. Helps to facilitate the process of weight loss. You can lose weight by adding carrots or carrot juice into your diet. Carrots make you feel fuller for longer and also alleviate hunger cravings, which may lead to a reduction in calorie consumption and, as a result, weight loss. Number 1. Eye health benefits. Carrots are beneficial to the eyes because they contain carotenoids, or vitamin A, which improves eye health and also helps to avoid conditions like night blindness and age-related muscle deterioration. Hope you enjoyed the video. Which other health benefits of carrot do you know other than the ones mentioned in this video? Tell us in the comment below. Thanks